One of the reasons we started Filament was because meetings suck. Now, it's not just because we do meetings in traditional ways. We do them in untraditional ways because work happens in meetings. We think about the things we love about our work and the things we hate about our work, and almost always meetings are involved. That's why we're focused on powering the world's best meetings. We want to build amazing retreats, conferences, offsites, things that we host, that we facilitate, that happen here in our spaces in St. Louis. But then even more importantly for us, we want to build the tools, the techniques, the ways that people can meet when they go back to their office. And so as you think about a way to make your work better, to make your team function more effectively, to get more work done, and ultimately enjoy the time that you're in the office, make your meetings better. And we'll help.